In today's video, we are going to be converting coilovers into bags using C2B bag over coilover kit, and we are going to be bagging the 300ZX so we can get all the the air ride. What do you think, Chris? You happy for the air ride? You ready for the I'm ready for it. Ready for the
I'm fucking ready.
Yeah, guys, so we are going to show you exactly how to install C2B suspension on coilovers, and then we're also going to install the new bag over coilovers onto the 300ZX. Let's get into it.
All right, it's time to put bags in. All right, the fronts are in. Let's run the lines.
All right, guys, so I think we're going to run right here through the firewall from the bag fitting through the firewall to the switch. Yeah. All right, guys, so we got this all the way ran. Air suspension is in, line is ran. The line is right there. We're gonna run all the lines to the center console. So now Chris is taking apart the other side, and we are going to run this line as well. We got a Jimmy rig right now just to test everything, but should be good. What do you think, Robert?
Pretty low, she low, and she go high at the same time.
Amen. It is sick though, for getting the jack under. Like, we could raise it up. Like, it's awesome. What do you think, Chris?
It's practical. Better than
Very practical, that means.
on its nuts. So might be able to get out of the driveway.
Might be able to get out of the driveway. But yeah, so we are about to start on the front. We have already put the bags in. We just need to run the lines real quick, and then we are going to run the rears, and we'll be full air ride. All right, guys, it is finally time to raise the car using the bags. Let's see how it goes. And now it's time to lower the bags for the first time. We are bagged. Let's go. The fronts are officially bagged. Now it's time to do the rear. All right, guys, the front is done. Now we are working on the rears. Chris, you excited?
Yeah, I think the rears are gonna be a lot more
Dramatic. For sure. This side, we have the stock wheel on. Currently, the wheels that go on this side are on the Lexus. And because the fronts from the Lexus, the ones that match these wheels, the 20s, they leak air, so we put these wheels on this car. But this is just temporary. Soon we'll be getting new wheels for the JZ car. Peep the purple car, love that car. But yeah, so we're gonna install the rear bags. The front bags are pretty much done. Super hype about that. Now we just got the rear. Yeah, don't look in here. This is all the interior.
No.
This is so bad. We gotta.
I think we have to put it back at one point, but I'm not sure.
We probably should.
No, just cut it.
Got it.
All right. 12, 13.
But yeah, guys. So we are almost done. We're halfway done, I'll say. Super sick though. Like, I love having bags. I don't know why I've never had bags. Probably because they're too expensive. But this is the budget way to bag your car. This costs roughly 1,500 bucks. If you have coilovers, this will cost a lot less. I will do a little breakdown at the end of all the prices and everything. Yeah, so we are going to put these rear bags in. All right, so I'm going to show you how to turn a coilover into a bag over coilover with just a few simple steps. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to loosen the top nut on your coilover. You're gonna pull the top pad off. You're gonna want to pull the spring out, pull all of the guts out. Save this washer because you're gonna need it whenever you put your bag in. Pull all this out. All of this gotta come out. And once you have everything gutted, you're gonna wanna take your washer, put it right back over your coilover. Take the O-ring they give you in the kit, and you're gonna slide that over as well. And next, you're gonna wanna take your bag from, and what you're gonna wanna do is take your bag over coilover. I recommend C2B suspension. They have the best bag over coilovers on the market right now. And if you wanna save a little bit of money, use code CHILLS10 to save 10%. That is CHILL with a Z, 10, and you guys can save some money and bag your car. Next thing you wanna do is put the bag on. Then you're gonna screw it down until it stops. Doesn't need to be super tight, just tight enough. And then basically put your top hat back on. Thread your bolt on. Tighten it down until it stops. And then you're good to go. That is how you bag a coilover. All right guys, so the rears are done. Well, this side of the rear is done. Now we are about to jump to the other side of the rear. Honestly, this is really super simple. The tank setup is definitely gonna be the hardest part about this whole bag thing. But yeah, we got the back done. What do you think, Chris? How bad was it?
It was awful. He made me do it. He made me do it. He made me do it.
We got the YouTube going. We got the YouTube going.
What's up,
and
live?
we got the TikTok live going.
Yes, sir.
If you guys are not following the TikTok, y'all 100% should. This is where you're gonna get your quickest, fastest updates for the channel.
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh. Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up? Dude, you just threw all the fucking bolts.
And you rolled us 5 because there's 5 lugs.
Okay, well.
YouTube, say what's up to the live.
Look, say hi, guys. There you go. Alex, did you get it in yet? Hurry up!
Yeah, it's in.
Oh, bet. There's a lot of stuff.
Robert, I need that blue thing. Thank you so much. Such a kind young fellow.
Yes, sir. Chris, what are you doing back here in the back?
Just hanging out. Make sure it works properly.
Yeah.
No leakages.
No leaky. We're gonna have to shorten it anyways. And make sure we have enough to go back again.
Back again?
Yeah.
For what?
For the other side. The other next.
Oh, because we gotta run. Okay, makes sense. All right. So I'm just gonna leave this extra then.
Yeah. You got it?
Yep. You're good. Do whatever you need to do.
And this one. And the air compressor.
Good.
We're about to find out if the bags work. We're gonna see right now. Hit those switches up. Both of them. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, the bags are all in. We are all the way aired up right now. It's finally time to air out. Let's do it. Oh! I know it's spicy. We touching the ground, Chris?
Yeah, we're touching the ground for sure. We are on the floor. I don't think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
We're on the floor?
Yeah, we're on the ground.
We actually hit 100,000 on TikTok, which was super sick. Shout out to Chris for that one.
We need to find.
He made 100,000 other accounts to follow us. That way we can hit 100,000. But if you guys want to follow us, it's Alex_Chills with a Z. You should follow the TikTok. That's gonna do it for today's video. We are finally bagged. We do need to run the compressor and the tank in the back. We were running everything off another compressor. So that'll be in the next video. We are going to be making the back of the trunk look super sick. I'm so excited for that. Definitely gonna add some colors in there. So drop a comment down below what color we should do the theme in the rear. I still don't know the color for the car, so you could drop that as well. I'm trying to figure out what we should do. I honestly have no idea. But thank you guys so much for watching. I am about to play the price breakdown of everything so you can see how much all of this costs. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. If you want to bag your car on a budget, this is the perfect video for you. So the first thing you're going to want to get is a set of coilovers. I got these Rev 9 coilovers, fully adjustable, for about $530. The next thing you're gonna need is a set of bags that go over your coilovers. I highly recommend C2B suspension. They fit all the coilovers, so if you already have a set of coilovers, this can be a lot cheaper than if you have to buy a set of coilovers. But if you wanna save some money, use code CHILLS10 to save 10% off your whole order. The next thing you're gonna need is a tank and a compressor, which you can also get at c2bsuspension.com. This runs about $150. And this is about $200. Next thing you're gonna need is management. I am going to be running these switches, which these are $20 a piece. So you're gonna need is line and fittings. I got all this for about 20 bucks on Amazon. These are all the quick connects, really, really easy to work with. They also send you a tool. And then once you set everything up, it'll look something like this.